This is Lori from Glenwood Springs Ford. We're going to take a quick video tour of this 2023 F-150 that just came out of our service loaner program. We're going to offer it back to the public on our pre-owned lot. It comes with a great warranty and it may qualify for Ford incentives. Be sure to talk to your salesperson after you watch this. Beautiful XL model in iconic silver. This has the STX appearance package, so you're not going to find any chrome on the outside of the truck. It has a 2.7 liter V6 EcoBoost engine, 10-speed automatic transmission. This is a 5.5 foot truck bed. It has a great camera, also backup sensing system, and a class 4 trailer tow hitch. And if you want to get a spray and bed liner done, no problem. We actually do that locally, so just talk to your salesperson about that. We have 20-inch wheels here. And then heading inside the cab, we're gonna find sport cloth interior, looking fantastic. You have a ton of leg room back here, and you could have amazing cargo space too. So we can put that seat up and then just look at that nice flat floor. And when you put the other one up, just a total amount of huge space back there. Taking a look up front, you got the bench seat. So obviously you can fit up to 6 passengers in the truck. You're gonna have manual seating adjustments for the driver and of course the passenger too. This steering wheel has all the good stuff so you can keep your eyes on the road, including voice command that works for telephone, audio, and your built-in navigation. We'll talk about that here in a second. The current mileage is 2,045 at the moment. Isn't that great? Heading over here to our Sync 4 touchscreen. Look at this nice map. Of course, you could use your favorite navigation app from your properly powered smartphone. All along the bottom here are the rest of your categories, and underneath your features section, you're going to find your towing. This comes with a towing connection checklist. So you're going to choose your trailer, and it's going to walk you through the 9 different steps that you need to take before you head out. Make sure you do everything just right. Isn't that great? I like that it has pictures. Down below in your climate control, you have both max AC and max defrost. Couple charging points down there for your cell phone. On the side, you have your terrain management system with this dial here and your 2- and 4-wheel drive around that. And then isn't it great to have the option to use this as an armrest? You got your cup holders and a spot for your cell phone. Did you know that Glenwood Springs Ford does not charge dealer handling fees? That's going to save you even more money on this great truck. Can't wait to see you for your test drive. Have a great day.